The dynamic duo. The dynamic duo can solve any problem you have. Think about your most pressing issue. Do you have it in your mind? Do you believe there is a solution? Or do you doubt there is a solution? Or worse yet, are you convinced there is no hope? Here's the definition of the word hope: a feeling of expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen. I'm going to assume for the moment that you have at least one of these two things. You have a desire for the solution to a problem. Desire is the easy part. Now let's talk about expectation. Do you expect to find a solution? Think about it this way. Hope is the foundation. The foundation is like concrete to build a basis for the rest of your building. Generally speaking, concrete is made up of three components: concrete, aggregate, and water. Actually, there is a fourth component, and that's effort. Your situation has four components as well. First is the problem, second is the desire, third is the expectation, and fourth, it's waiting for your participation. I want to make another assumption. One, you do have a problem. Two, you have a desire. And three, you are willing to participate. You will notice that we are only missing one of the four components now. That component is the expectation. Let's change the word expectation to a word with tremendous power. That word is faith. Let's set our formula aside for the moment and lay out a few semantics. One definition of a dynamic duo describes two people who are very close and are always together. They do anything and everything together. When they are together, they dominate everything and everyone. A more accurate definition of the dynamic duo you need for all of your life situations is the power of prayer and the power of your subconscious mind. I want to point out that answers to prayer and solutions generated from the subconscious mind come from the same source. If you believe in God, you will understand and accept my explanation readily. If you do not believe God, that's all right. I will show you what they talk about in kidnapping cases. Proof of life. For our discussion, proof of life are the many examples of answered prayer and documented medical studies proving the power of the subconscious mind to make your desires come true. We will be talking about health, cured illnesses, even incurable diseases, relationships, and financial needs. Both the Bible and medical science agree the answer is faith. Although faith may sometimes seem elusive, it is quite simple to accept what you believe as fact. First, let me show it from a medical field. Doctors, scientists, therapists, and other experts all agree to reprogram your subconscious causes the body to secrete the appropriate chemicals and hormones to bring you the heart's desires, whether it's financial, relationship, or an incurable disease. The Bible states it very simply. Jesus said, "Ask and you shall receive." Now we have the fourth component necessary to solve your problem. Whatever it is, you must believe. The Bible says, "Now faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen." Science says, reprogram your subconscious mind and it will do what you ask. In my research for this study program, I found the answer's quality is the same whether you reach the solution through prayer or the power of the subconscious mind. It is my belief this is correct because we are reaching out to the same source, whether praying to the God of the universe or using the power of our bodies that He created to get the solution to our problem. People have used their subconscious mind to cure the incurable. People have prayed and received healing for the incurable. So what do you say? Let's forget the semantics. we forget our differences, we forget what we've believed in the past, and moving forward, we have faith and give thanks for the amazing results we get when we put effort into three components: desire, expectation, and faith. You and I will do the same thing whether we approach the problem from a scientific or a religious point of view. The scientist will meditate, the religious believer will pray. From my perspective, prayer is meditation, and meditation is prayer. In the same manner, faith is the same. The religious person has faith in God he or she serves. The non-religious person has faith in how our body, created by God, functions to bring us health, wealth, and happiness. Please remember to build your habit of successful living. Visualize what you want at night when you go to bed. In the morning, write down the things for which you are grateful. I'm W.L. Laney, wishing you health, wealth, and happiness for you and yours.